Digital Pour is a beverage management software solution, offering both front-of-house features to promote customer engagement, plus back-of-the-house capabilities to optimize your business. Let's look at how it works. The Digital Pour menu allows any high-definition television to be used as an interactive menu to display what is currently on tap. The layout, fonts, and colors of the menu are completely customizable. On the top of the menu are the social networking integrations. On the left is a real-time Twitter and Instagram feed showing recent postings and pictures that have been taken at your location. On the right are Untapped and Foursquare check-ins. Customers using these free applications on their phones are able to check in and let their friends know where they are. These check-ins appear on the menu. Untapped also displays what beer the customer is drinking. This particular menu is a 12-item display. On a standard high-definition monitor, we can display up to 22 items per screen. With more taps than this, multiple monitors can be used, or the menu can page. For each tap, you can display the tap number, brewery or beer logos, name, location, ABV, IBU, etc. There's a large selection of glassware to choose from, and from 2 to 3 different glassware size options can be displayed depending on the layout. The color of the beer is shown inside of the glass. If you choose to have Digital Pour integrate with your point-of-sale system, a real-time keg level can be displayed. There are also indicators showing when the kegs have just been put on tap, or if a beverage is currently part of an event, such as a tap takeover. On the bottom left, beverages that will be tapped soon are displayed. This list comes from what we call the keg queue, which we will cover shortly. On the bottom right, any upcoming and current events can be shown. We also have the ability to overlay images over the menu at regular intervals. These images can be scheduled as to when they appear, so for instance, a dinner special advertisement can be displayed earlier in the day and only on certain days. This is the Digital Pour Operations Program. You are able to install this program on as many PCs as needed. For example, one near the bar so the staff can make quick changes, and on your personal computer so you can view reports and analytics. As long as you have an internet connection, this information is available anywhere. A key concept of the Digital Pour system is the keg queue. This represents the kegs that you have in inventory in one or more storage locations, normally your cooler. A typical workflow is to enter beers into our system as they arrive from the distributor. That way they can easily be put on tap when needed. Adding a keg into the queue is a quick, simple process. Digital Pour will work with you to come up with what we call the pricing formula. This is a way of determining the size and type of glassware along with pricing for a keg. The formula can be as simple or as complex as you need, so if factors such as cost per ounce, ABV, or beer style affect your glassware or pricing, we can capture that. Once you have entered the information about the beer, simply press the Calculate Pricing button and the size and price information will be generated. You can easily manually adjust any pricing info created. If this is a keg that has been on previously, you can use the Last Time On button to fill out the fields from the previous time. If a keg is to be cellared or saved for a special occasion, the Do Not Use checkbox will prevent the keg from being put on without managerial permission and will not appear in the Tapping Soon list. Once kegs have been entered into the queue, it is a very simple procedure to put a beer on tap. Simply highlight the tap, press the Put on Tap button, and select the beer from the queue. If you want, you can specify which kegs in the queue are allowed to replace kegs on tap so the staff can be directed what keg to put on. When a keg is put on, the menu will be updated. If the point of sale is integrated, it will be updated as well. If the keg being replaced is not empty, perhaps to make room for a tap takeover, simply uncheck the Old Keg is Empty checkbox, and the keg being replaced will return to the queue with its level remembered. The system will also send out a tweet from your Twitter account announcing what has been put on tap, and update your Facebook page. Using our API, your web designer can put a custom-themed real-time tap list on your website. It is also easy to add happy hours and other events into our system. These events can change the prices on the menu and, if integrated, in your point of sale. If your point of sale system is integrated with Digital Pour, we're able to provide detailed analytics about beverage performance. This information can be aggregated by brewery and/or styles. For a very modest monthly fee, Digital Pour can help you build your business and manage it better. Digital Pour is helping over 150 beer bars, brew pubs, growler stations, and restaurants across North America succeed. Digital Pour is also being used in Europe, Asia, and Australia. Interested? Please contact us for a one-on-one demonstration.